What if your messy room isn't the problem, but the symptom? You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated. That clutter, that pile of laundry, it might be your brain's way of crying out for help. Let me explain with Renee's story. Now, let's meet Renee. On paper, she had it all. Loving wife, sharp professional, always the one people counted on. But behind closed doors, life was slowly swallowing her whole. Her home, once her peaceful escape, had turned into a reflection of her overwhelm. Laundry morphed into mountains. Dishes staged quiet rebellion in the sink. Every surface became temporary storage spot that stayed that way indefinitely. Every night, she whispered to the same promise to herself. Tomorrow I'll get this together. But tomorrow kept ghosting her. Then one evening, after surviving back-to-back meetings, office drama, and a flat tire, she walked through the door, tripped over a pile of shoes, and nearly lost it. She collapsed onto the couch surrounded by clutter, her to-do list staring at her from every corner, and right then, in the stillness of the mess, Renee finally saw it. The disaster wasn't just her house. It was her mind screaming for help. Now, Renee is not alone. Psychologists say all the time, our outer world often reflects our inner world. A messy room, it's not just untidiness, it's a message. Depression makes even small tasks like folding laundry feel like a huge mountain. Anxiety, it can make clutter paralyzing or turn you into a hyper cleaner just to feel like something's under control. And trauma, especially the kind we never properly process, can cause you to hold on to stuff, memories, objects, and just-in-case piles, because letting go feels unsafe. It's not about being lazy, it's about being overwhelmed, and science backs it up. Studies show that disorganized environments actually increase cortisol, your stress hormone, the heavy, foggy feeling you get in a cluttered space. It's not in your head, your body is reacting to chaos, and your room isn't just messy, it's loud. And your nervous system is listening. Renee didn't start by cleaning the whole house. She didn't download 10 productivity apps or spend hundreds on bins and baskets. She started with one drawer. That's it. She opened it, she sat with it, and took a deep breath. And then she made one decision. She tossed one expired coupon, folded one pair of socks, wiped it down, and closed it. That drawer stayed organized, and seeing it neat sparked something inside of her. So the next day, she cleaned the nightstand, then the top of the dresser, then the laundry finally got folded. Not because she wasn't back to normal, but because she was finally giving her self-care she used to give to everyone else. It wasn't about creating the perfect home, it was about creating a peace, a place that didn't add to her anxiety but soothed it. Every drawer she organized, every dish she washed, every item she let go was a tiny, powerful act of healing. She was rewriting the story of her space, and with it, the story she told herself. So if you're listening to this right now, sitting in your own version of too much, please hear this. You're not lazy, you're not failing, you're not a mess. You're a human. And humans get tired, humans break down, humans carry more than they should without even asking for help. But you don't have to stay stuck. Start with one drawer, one corner, one little patch of peace, because that's how it begins, not with a massive transformation, but with one small, honest moment where you say, I matter, my peace matters, and I'm allowed to start over. If that resonates with you, please drop in the comments. Tell us your story. Have you ever looked at a room and felt like it's telling the truth you couldn't speak out loud? What are you carrying? What is your space trying to say? There's no shame here, only shared humanity. And if you found a way through, if you cleaned even just one drawer, share that too. Your story might be the light someone else needs. So please hit subscribe button. You're not just decluttering a room. You're reclaiming your peace, and we'll walk through it together. Have a blessed day.